I'm going to put on the, what do I say helpfully here? In my label, fuel line assembly screws, top of engine, and there are 4 of them. They can only go in one place. How I like the lack of a puzzle. It's entirely possible that these need to not be put in before something else, but we'll see. They're easy enough to take out anyway. We use the power screwdriver to, these are also 5mm. Tighten them first and then I'm going to torque them again to then you can use it. There is a trick to this. This guy goes under that, obviously. Wonder if yeah, this is correct. So this just goes on top of the fuel line. There's a bracket for, what is this? Please, I don't even know. Whatever this thing is. I just looked it up and I forgot. Anyway, there's a bracket for it, and that goes on top. That goes on top of the fuel line assembly. Back to our torque wrench. Okay, so fuel line assembly is on.